So the one on the left is not done. What a difference. And the one on the right, Sir Mai is working on it. Sir Mai, Riemann Glass Dumagetti. Hi everyone. Before I continue with the video, I just want to try a new feature, troll comment of the day. And today's winner, @NickLonger9600. As you can see, he has had his channel since January 24, 2020, has no content, and 2 subscribers. I wish YouTube would include his TCR, troll comment rating. So here is @NickLonger9600's Creative Genius at Work. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more winners like this one. Let's get back to the video. But I'm saying, like, after all the windows are tinted, it should be nice and cooler inside. Not
Yes,
so
sir.
hot.
Yes, sir. Cause
Not the heat not coming in.
yes, sir.
Why do you call me sir? When you know my name is Greg.
Greg.
I know it's Filipino thing. Politeness, right?
Yes.
I like the Filipino, like with the children, like with your daughter, when they do the bless. It's so nice. In Canada,
Every 6 in the evening.
oh,
My daughter bless.
wow, that's so nice.
Me, my grandparents.
We don't have that tradition in Canada.
Yeah.
We need, it's nice.
We get it from the Spanish before.
Oh, that's what it is.
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Spanish.
Oh, cool.
Philippines was colonized by Spanish.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's the culture
I
we
remember.
inherited. Like also the food, the lechon, that's the Spanish culture.
Adobo or Filipino?
Adobo, I don't know the lechon. The pancit is from Chinese, the
Oh,
Japanese
yeah.
invasion before.
And what about the Americans? Hamburger,
Burger, chicken,
pizza.
pizza.
How about Canadian? Nothing. Voila. Rum, maybe. Or whiskey.
Because before Philippines was colonized by the Americans, Spain, Japanese,
Yeah.
that 3 countries. So our culture is, very mixed.
This is what it looks from the inside before the tint goes on the window. Small kitchen window, last one. Small kitchen window, reflection on the outside, and then you can still see out the window. It's a bit tinted, but not reflective like the outside. Very cool. So the small kitchen window plus 16 house windows. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Check out this next video. I hope you like it also. When are you visiting the Philippines?